Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and review of Irusu Play VR Plus. Let's take a look at the box and after that we'll see what's inside it. There is some descriptions about the product on the sides of the box. The specifications and the usage instructions are on the back side of the box. You can pause the video anytime if you wish to read the specifications. So now let's open the box and we'll see what's inside. Let's take the VR out of the box. It's protected really well. This is the Irusu Play VR Plus. Let's keep this aside and we'll see what's more inside the box. A viewer profile card. And a user guide for the VR. You can pause the video if you wish to read the details. A lens cleaning cloth is also provided with the box. It's a microfiber cloth so it won't damage the lenses. Let's keep this aside and we'll take a look at the VR. The Play VR is really good in terms of build quality. The paddings are good in terms of quality and it is very comfortable for using the VR long time. The headphones are good in terms of sound quality and it is better than some earphones available in the market for 500 to 600 rupees. There is some buttons on the bottom of the VR. They also provided a touch button on the bottom of the VR, so you won't need an additional remote while using the VR. The headphone jack is placed inside the mobile holder. There is some padding on the place where the mobile is kept. Now I'll show you how to place the mobile inside the VR. Just have to position your mobile inside the VR and just close the lid. That's all you have to do. So if you want to use the headphones, you can connect the jack. If you don't want to use it, you can leave it there. That's all you have to do. Now you can enjoy your VR experience. Now let's take a look at the lenses. They provided a 42mm HD resin lenses. Irusu has the best lens quality compared to other brands in the same price range. Now let's take a look at the buttons on the bottom of the VR. The 3 buttons on the left is used to control music playback. A touch button is provided on the right side. You can use the touch button to select the content on your VR. You can also attend calls using the media playback button. The headphones are retractable so you can adjust it as per your needs. The paddings on the headphone is really good enough. Overall, the VR is made of really good quality materials and it is looking sturdy indeed. The straps of the VR is fully adjustable. You can adjust it as per your needs. The IPD adjustment and the focal length adjustment is mounted on the top of the VR. You can adjust it as per your needs. So that's all I have to say, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.